So busy now, so I'm gonna pick up. Magkuha na ko sa mga itlog sa amo ang mga manok. Mga harvest na ko og itlog. Let's see. How many have here? Oh my goodness. Here. Oh, it's 5. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Let's see. Do we have more here? Oh, yeah, more. Okay, okay. Yes. More here. Okay. There's 6 eggs. Maybe there's more over there. Oh, there's more. 7.